Hi beautiful lovelies, welcome back to my channel. You're welcome back with another cook with Steffi. If this is your first time here, you're welcome to this space. Please don't make it your last by clicking on the subscribe button and joining the family. And to my returning subscribers, hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we are going to be making this yummy honey barbecue chicken wings. If this is what you want to see, let's just get right into the video. Welcome back. So for this recipe, we are going to be using chicken wings. Just like I said, we are making honey barbecue chicken wings, so we are going to be using chicken wings. So I'm just trying to tap to make sure that there's no traces of water anywhere in the meat, in the chicken. So I'll just do this and then I'll go ahead to add my pepper. You can add any pepper of your choice. I'm adding grounded habanero pepper here. So any pepper of your choice, you can use dry pepper, whatever that works for you, you can use. It's not restricted to anything. So yeah, I'll go ahead to add my all-purpose seasoning and then add other seasoning. See here, for this recipe again, you can use any seasoning that works for you. Just like everybody, to me, I feel everybody has seasonings they put together that works better for them. So yeah, you can use any one of your choice. So I added all-purpose seasoning, I added curry powder, I added paprika, I added black pepper, I added cayenne pepper. So just whatever that works for you, you just keep mixing. And then I'll go ahead to add vegetable oil now. You already know GKA, groundnut oil in Nigeria. So I'll add barbecue sauce. The groundnut oil is just to make the seasonings lock inside, like just to lock all the seasonings inside the chicken. Then I'll add my parsley leaves, dry parsley leaf, optional too as well. Just tweak everything like however you feel you want to do yours. You can actually do it just to season everything and bring out the flavor. So that's just it. Then I kept adding my paprika, other flavors, other seasonings, just to like get more flavors and just yeah. So that's just it. You see the way it's looking now. Even it looks edible. Even I've not grill this or anything, but see how it's looking now, very beautiful. So I'll just go ahead to put it inside this ziploc. Yeah, you can actually marinate and leave it for some days. This one I actually did it for some days. I marinated it for some days before I grilled it, or however you want it. But if you want using it immediately, just cook it 50% or maybe 60% on, then you can grill or fry it, just so the seasoning will get into it very well. But because I had plenty time, I decided to just marinate it. I remembered, so I decided to marinate it and leave it until the day I need it. So this is just it. I'm just trying to make sure there's no air in the ziploc. I'll just put this thing and put it in the freezer, just so the seasoning will sit very well inside. Just like I said, if you don't have time for this, you can also make it that same day. I do it sometime, but because I remembered on time, so I just decided to marinate it some days before grilling it. So this is the way it's looking now. After I think 2 days or so, I decided to grill it. So I'll just go ahead to pop it into the oven. If you don't have oven, you can actually air fry this. If you don't have air fryer, you can actually go ahead to you can actually fry it. But because I have oven, I'm grilling this today. So this is me just trying to flip it over, just to turn it for the other side to grill as well. I think this is after 15 minutes. So this is how it's looking the other side. So I'll just pop it into the oven and let the other side grill as well. So for the sauce itself, for the honey sauce, I'm going to be adding butter. Please, this is not cement butter, but what's it called? Yeah, cement butter. Instead of using that cement butter, I've tried that before. It wasn't tasting nice at all. So instead of using that cement butter, I would rather advise you to use your vegetable oil. It's better than using the cement butter. So this is the creamy, what's it called? I'm going to be putting the butter on the screen when I'm editing it. So, and then I'll go ahead to add my chopped garlic, a bit crushed garlic. Just add garlic. If you don't like garlic, you can actually skip this, but it gives a different flavor to it actually. So I'll just add my crushed garlic. This is just for flavor. If you don't like it, just like I said, you can skip it. But is nice. So I'll go ahead to add my cayenne pepper. Remember, this is hot, so if you want it hot, you can add more pepper. Yeah, because of the Nigerian meal, I decided to add more pepper just to make it hot. But if you don't like hot or spicy food, please skip that. So I'll go ahead to add my honey. Yes, you remember the name, honey barbecue chicken wings. So you just add the honey as much as you want, but don't make it that much, please, depending on how your chicken, how plenty your chicken wings is. But I decided to just add a little more, and then I'll go over to add my ketchup. This is optional too as well, but if you want this sweet barbecue kind of taste, you add your ketchup, or you can add your barbecue sauce. But because I added barbecue sauce earlier to my when marinating, I decided to just add my ketchup instead. So this is me reintroducing my chicken wings. Yeah, just close your eye where this chicken wings is. I was busy making jollof rice and my chicken wings got burned. So yeah, this is how it looks. This is so yummy. You just mix very well, and voila, you get your honey barbecue chicken wings. This is so yummy. Please try this if you can. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for always supporting. Please don't forget to give this video a massive thumbs up, subscribe if you're not subscribed yet, and leave a comment in the comment section. Like I said before, I was making this with jollof rice. You see how it's looking. I served this with better hot party jollof rice. Thank you. Bye.